Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to add an expiration to a poll in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the WordPress interface and adjust your poll settings so that your poll expires at the time of your choosing. This process is simple and straightforward. We will begin with accessing WordPress and then proceed through the necessary steps to locate the settings that allow you to set an expiration time for your poll. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. Upon arriving at the site, look for the login option, which is conveniently located in the top right corner. This login feature gives you quick access to your account and the various tools available within WordPress. Once you have found the login option, click on it and proceed to select the option that allows you to sign in using your preferred method. In this case, choose the option to continue with Google. When you click on this option, your browser will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use for authentication. Select the appropriate account and allow the sign-in process to complete, ensuring that you have access to all the necessary features within WordPress. After successfully logging in, your next destination is the feedback section. You can now locate and click on the feedback option. This area typically provides you with insight into various interactions and configurations related to your WordPress site. From there, a few more steps will guide you through directing your focus toward managing your polls. Within the feedback section, you will find the option for crowd signal. Click on crowd signal to be directed to the specific area where you manage interactive content, including polls. Once you are within crowd signal, you will need to access your account options. For that purpose, navigate to the right side where your account drop-down menu is located. By clicking on this drop-down, you reveal a series of options that customize your account experience. Next, choose the settings option from the drop-down menu. Within settings, you will find a variety of configurable options related to your poll settings and overall interface. Look carefully until you see the section concerning the block expiration limit. This is the area where you set a specific time frame for your poll's expiration. When you have located it, select the time frame that best suits your needs. It is important to choose a duration that balances active engagement with the limited availability of the poll to ensure accurate and timely feedback. Once you have defined your expiration time frame for the poll, the final step is to save your changes. Locate the option to save your settings and click on it so that your changes are applied. Your poll is now configured to automatically expire according to the time frame you selected, ensuring that your data collection remains current and relevant. Following these detailed steps will ensure that your poll is active for the desired period before expiring automatically. Enjoy using this functionality to control the timing of your polls effectively on WordPress.